Building your own recycled NFT system. We know you are eager to get your hands dirty. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of building your own double-sided NFT system using recycled materials. You'll be surprised at how simple and affordable it can be. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable innovation with a truly unique hydroponics system, the double-sided NFT system made entirely from recycled materials. What is a double-sided NFT system? Imagine maximizing your garden space without expanding your footprint. That's the beauty of the double-sided NFT, nutrient film technique, system. It features two vertical channels stacked back to back, allowing you to grow plants on both sides. This doubles your yield while occupying the same amount of space. But here's the real kicker. This system is built using recycled materials. We're talking old plastic bottles, PVC pipes, and even discarded fabric. By transforming trash into treasure, we're promoting environmental responsibility and reducing our reliance on new resources. Benefits of the double-sided NFT system: increased yield, grow twice as much food in the same space. Reduced water usage. NFT systems are inherently water efficient, and this double-sided design further optimizes water usage. Sustainable. Made from recycled materials, minimizing environmental impact. Space saving. Perfect for urban gardens, balconies, or small spaces. Customizable. You can adjust the system size and materials to fit your needs. This innovative system proves that sustainability and productivity can go hand in hand. By using recycled materials and efficient growing techniques, we can cultivate fresh, healthy food while minimizing our environmental impact. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of sustainable innovation. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting agriculture discoveries. And remember, even the smallest steps towards sustainability can make a big difference. Let's grow a greener future together. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts on this unique system. Tag a friend who would love to build their own recycled garden. Check out our website for more resources on sustainable agriculture.